Welcome to raigurkul.com. I'm Deepak Rai, and today we are diving deep into a key concept in Agile project management that helps you to keep your teams focused and productive time boxing. Rally uses time boxed planning to help teams organize their work into a clear time frames, ensuring that every task is aligned with your goals and deadlines. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly time boxing? In simple terms, time boxing is the process of allocating a fixed amount of time to complete a task or group of tasks. In Rally, this is done using releases, iterations, and milestone to structure your team's work within a set time frame. The idea is to set clear boundaries so that your teams knows exactly what needs to be done and by when. This creates focus and drives progress, allowing you to deliver value consistently. Now, let's understand elements of time boxing. There's a four key elements that you'll see to plan and measure your team's work. Releases, which is a higher level time box that typically spans several iterations, and it represents the delivery of a significant chunk of functionality or milestone. Here, when you will click on plans, click on time boxes, and you will find it out three options are available. Next is iterations. So this is the most common time box in Agile. An iteration is usually 1 to 4 weeks long and helps to break down work into manageable pieces for your team. Here, whenever you want to create a time boxes, click on add new and add the time boxes for respective items. Now, as of now, we have selected iterations. Add the iterations name, like I'm just adding I3. Start time, here we'll mention the start time for these iterations. Let's consider I'm selecting from 15th October to 29th, and here we'll select the state. As of now, it's in planning. We click on create, and this iterations will be created successfully. And here you can see these are the time boxes which is added. Similar kind of it, you can also add it for releases. It's the same conditions available where you have start date and release date. That's the reason it's called as time boxes. And as of now in Rally, we have iterations, releases, and milestone. You can also create similar kind of it, but in milestone, normally we have target dates. So it always starts from the current date to the target date itself. Now let's understand the other concept of time boxing in Rally. How time boxing helps your team. So time boxing brings several benefits to your team's projects. First is focus. By setting clear time limits, teams stay focused on the most important tasks during each iterations or releases. Prioritizations. Time boxing forces teams to prioritize work, ensuring that only the highest value tasks are included within each time frame. Improved estimations, where velocity helps you to estimate how much work can realistically be completed, leading to better planning. Adaptability, time boxes allows for regular reflections at the end of each iterations. This way, teams can inspect their progress and adopt as needed for the next iterations. And whenever you want to navigate into any of those things, you have to just select it from here and you will find it at all those time boxes. And this can be relatable to your work view as well. So this is the time boxes which we are using it in Rally, which makes our project life smoother. And when you will create it, you can also link through team boards as well. Within the team boards, you can allocate to any of those user story or any of those projects within the board itself. And That's a quick overview of time boxing in Rally. I hope this helped you to understand how it can streamline your agile processes and keeps your team on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more rally tips and agile project management insights. I would love to hear from you. How do you manage time boxing in your agile projects? Do you use similar strategies in Rally, or do you have other methods that work for your team? Let me know in the comments below and feel free to ask any questions. I'm always happy to help. Thank you for watching.